Hi friends, welcome to GK Tech Talk. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding OOPS concepts in Java. What are the different OOPS concepts available in Java? We'll see. What is OOPS concepts first? OOPS is nothing but object-oriented programming language. There are so many object-oriented programming languages, but Java is also one of the object-oriented programming language. Entire Java, it builds using these concepts called OOPS concepts. These OOPS concepts are data hiding and abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. These are the basic building blocks for Java object-oriented programming language. Data hiding and abstraction. In today's session, we'll just focus on data hiding and abstraction. I hope we already gone through all the basics of a Java programming language, how to compile a program and how to create an object to a class. And what is a class, what is an object, we already know. And we gone through some basic access specifiers: private, public, protected, and default. If you are not known all these concepts, please go through my previous videos so that you can get to know what is access specifier and what are the different kinds of access specifiers available as part of Java. We can use those access specifiers to implement these OOPS concepts, and you have to know, before coming to OOPS concepts, you have to aware of what is a class and what is an object, and at the same time you have to be clear with the basic things like data types, identifiers, and methods. Okay, so if you are not familiar with those concepts, then please just go through my older videos. In those videos we already explained all these things. I will just provide those links in the description. Please go through it and then just go through these OOPS concepts. Otherwise you won't understand how we are going to implement these concepts. Okay, let's quickly start with data hiding and abstraction. What is data hiding? Hiding your data members to the outside is data hiding using private keyword. So whatever class you have written, you will have some certain methods and variables. Okay, if you want to restrict outside classes to access your data, then you need to provide some private access specifier. Then only they can't able to access. Otherwise they can be able to access it. They can modify your data. So to provide security to your data, generally we will do data hiding. We won't show up our data to the outside world by using private keyword in Java. So by doing data hiding, you are going to secure your data within your class by using private access modifier. So we already gone through different access modifiers. Private is the one of the access modifier where you can restrict completely within the class for a particular variable where you declared as a private. Data members, in the sense, data members are nothing but variables and methods of your class. We can call them as data members. Hiding your data members using a private keyword is nothing but data hiding as part of Java. What you are going to achieve by doing this data hiding? You are going to achieve the security of your data by giving access only to your class. Okay, you are not allowing others to access your data and modify it or use it. That's why we are providing security using this data hiding concept. What is the next concept? Data hiding, we are getting security. And what is the next concept? We are having abstraction in Java. What is abstraction? Abstraction is the process of hiding the internal implementation details of your functionality, and you will just showcase your services and features to the outside people. So for the end user, they are unaware of what exactly you are doing inside your project. So you will just provide some set of services. So how you are able to serve those services, they don't know. So you won't reveal the internal implementation detail to the end user, and you will just highlight the required set of features. What are the features you are going to provide through your application or through your project, only those things will be available to the end user. If you take the example of any booking site, hotel booking site, there are so many booking sites where you will click on the selected hotel, it will go through all the details, it will bring the details from different sites and it will show it on your screen. Either you are accessing some particular website, but the data will be coming from different website and they showing up in your current website. So that is internally from where they are picking up the data, from where they are bringing the offers, those and all you are not aware. You no need to know about that, how they are bringing these details from different countries or different places. Okay, so you no need to worry about how the internal implementation is. As an end user, you just need to book the hotel. Who is giving this offer, who is providing the details to this particular website, those and all, it's all abstracted. So they're not revealing those things, like they are hiding the internal implementation process. They are just simply hiding the internal implementation process. So by hiding the internal implementation process, they are just providing the features, what are the services they are going to provide through their website. Okay, we can call this process as a abstraction. Basically the abstract means incomplete. So whatever is not fully implemented, we can call that as abstract. So here also like that only, it is abstract is nothing but it's not fully implemented, halfway implemented. Okay, we are going to hide the internal implementation details. We can call this process as a abstraction. And who can use this and how we can achieve this in Java? We can achieve this in Java using the components called interfaces and abstract classes, where they will provide the feature only, but they won't provide any implementation. Whatever implementation you want, you can provide on your own. So through abstract classes and interfaces, we are going to see that how it will going to work. But right now you don't need to worry about how to implement the abstraction in Java. You have to understand what is abstraction in Java. Okay, abstraction is nothing but the process of hiding the internal implementation details, and as well as you need to highlight only certain features whatever you are providing through your application. Just highlight those features to the end user. Hiding the internal implementation details is nothing but abstraction. Okay, what are the advantages you are going to get by implementing the concept called abstraction? You are going to get security. Why? Because you are not providing all the details of your internal implementation so that nobody can copy it, nobody can access it, and at the same time it will be easy to enhance without affecting the end user. Why? Because what you are doing internally, they are not aware. Whatever you want, you can change the logic and you can provide the service. And maintainability, it will be very easy to implement different implementations for the same functionality based on the time being. Okay, if you want to change something implementation, you can change it, that is enhancement, and you can even maintain the modularity easily without affecting the end user. Okay, there are n number of implementations you can provide using this abstraction. So if you are going through the interfaces and abstract classes, there you will find the advantage of maintainability. Okay, these are the key things we have to know, aware of before going through the encapsulation. Encapsulation is the combination of this data hiding and as well as abstraction. Okay, in this video we are simply focusing only on abstraction and data hiding. In the next video we will go through encapsulation. I hope the concept is very clear. If you have any doubts, please comment in the video so that I will give the reply to your comments. Okay, if you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit on bell icon. Please share to your friends whoever wants to learn Java, so we will help you guys with our tutorial. Even whatever technologies you want to learn, please just comment below so that I will try to create tutorials for those. Actually, we are doing these tutorials for the beginners purpose. Okay, Please go through all our videos, and if you have any feedback, please share your feedback. That will help us to grow little bit more better way we'll do, and we'll provide the tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our GK Tech Talk channel and hit on bell icon. We'll see you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye.